Remember when the ice cream man used to come to town when you was little? And no matter what you was doing, you would stop and lose your mind? There's something about the ice cream truck that make kids lose it. And they can hear it from 10 blocks away. They don't hear their mother calling them, but they hear that ice cream truck. And no matter what was going on, the ice cream man came to stop. You be getting some marbles and you hear ice cream! Ice cream! The ice cream man is coming! The ice cream man is coming! Mom! Mom! Those are some money! The ice cream man is coming! Then your mother come to the window and be throwing change and saying, "Get your father toasted almond balls, and get your brother ice it, and get yourself vanilla cone, and bring back my change." And you catch your shit and run down the street, top speed, chasing the ice cream truck going, "Ice cream!" Ice cream man always drove an extra block though. And I know he's seen us, but I think he just be in the car with his friends saying, "Watch me make how fast I run." You be behind him doing 50 going, "Ice cream!" You stop, you be all out of wind. Ice cream man, can I have this? I want this over here, and a toast on by my father, and give me this ice over here, and vanilla cone. Thank you, ice cream man. Thank you, ice cream man.